What about your pre-boards? Do you have any doubt you may ask?
Then I have a science exam on Thursday.
Thursday?
Thursday, yeah.
Perhaps mic is not working. What about Madhya? What you think? I will fix it and come. Of course, you fix your mic. What about Madhya? When is your pre-board exam?
My pre-board is in January.
In January. So you prepared the content. Your syllabus is complete from here, right?
Yeah, from here, yes.
Okay. What about in school?
School we have to complete.
Okay. So maybe it may be the around to complete, right?
Yeah, almost done.
So do you have any doubt?
No, sir, not anything specifically.
Okay. Then why we are assembled today over here? What is the purpose?
Revision.
Revision. So we did some revision on current electricity, right? We were doing revision on current electricity. Clear? We did some revision on current electricity. So any doubt in current electricity? So there is no doubt in current electricity. So can you tell me what is Maxwell? We also did the magnetic effect of electric current, right? Is there any doubt in magnetic effect of electric current?
No, sir.
Everything is clear? So can you tell me what is Fleming's left hand rule? What is Fleming left hand rule?
They showed
Yeah, go ahead.
the motion magnetic field and current by using our left hand fingers.
Left hand fingers. Which fingers?
Thumb shows motion, index finger shows magnetic field, and middle finger shows the current.
Okay, good. So if the direction of current is changed, so what will happen? That's the thing, na? If we will change the direction, then direction of force will change, right?
Yes, sir.
So what should I say? You know everything. You know everything, then what should we study today? So you have test also? You had test over here as well? On Friday?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, I didn't got any test.
I think there was test on the Friday, 17 or something.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
I didn't got any information about it.
And then you should ask the admin why you were left out.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can we go back and discuss something about human eye and colorful world? Right. This is, I think, first chapter, right?
No, sir.
No.
Sixth
One
chapter.
more chapter is there, sir.
First chapter is light and reflection. Clear? This is the second chapter. This is the second chapter. So we'll do next week the first chapter, light. Okay. So today we are going to revise the human eye and the colorful world. Clear? So will you give me any idea what is eye? What is eye? What is eye?
It's a muscular organ that enables us to see.
This is a muscular organ that enable us to see. Okay. This one is back. Organ. Basically, it is organ which help us to see. This is one point. What about next? Anything else? Anyone wanna add something?
Yes.
Basically,
most-
this is a lens. Lens or camera. Right? Because in camera, what the camera do? It gather lights and make the image at the screen, right? Lens is what? Lens is being either convex or concave lens. It used to it used to focus the light. So eye is lens, or it is camera, it is muscular organ, or it is also a sensory organ. Can we say it's sensory organ? That feel, touch, see, smell, these all are sense, right? Clear or not? This is also the oval type structure. Oval type. Oval type organ. Clear? What are the important parts in eye? And what is their function? What are the important part of eye and what is their function?
Iris.
Iris, right? Yeah,
Optic nerves.
optic nerves. Yes. What is iris?
It controls the size of the pupil.
Yes, colored ring of muscles that controls the size of people, right? What is lens? This is the middle part called lens, right? What is retina? This is one of the important organ. What is retina?
It forms the image.
Yeah, retina works as
Uh,
curtain, but it more than that. Layer of light sensitive cells. Okay, light sensitive cells. There are two type of light sensitive cells: rod, rods. That's this type of a structure.
cone.
Okay, and cones. These two type of structure. What is their use? What is use of light rods and cones? Anyone knows? What is light rod and cones? Light cones and rod, they are,
Rods sensitive to light.
yes,
Cones are not sensitive to light.
yes. Anyone else?
Sir, rods are responsible for the vision of that low lights,
Yes.
and cons are responsible for the highlight
Okay.
visions.
Okay. Rods are responsible for vision at low light levels. They do not mediate color vision. Rod are not responsible for color vision and have a low spatial acuity. Cones are active at higher light levels and capable of color visions. Okay. So cones are responsible for color vision as well. High light and color vision. So this is higher light plus color vision. So if we are able to see the colorful world, it is only because of cones, right? Clear? Cones are responsible for color vision. These 3 points are clear. Can we move further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this ring muscle? Ring muscle controls the shape of lens, controls accommodation of eye. When relaxed, the lens is least curved, least powerful. So we also discussed the accommodation power. Do you remember what is accommodation power? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
What is accommodation?
That using ciliary muscles.
No. What is what did you say?
That using ciliary muscles, focusing and relaxation of the
Yes,
muscles.
right. That's right. So when you come from very bright region to a dark region, so are you able to see the things when you another case is that when you come from completely dark region to a bright region, so do you feel any discomfort?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this discomfort is for very short time. Okay, so meanwhile, this accommodation power of eye lens, that it adjusts its focal length in a way that it can see the object in the two different bright and dark situation. Okay, this is also because of accommodation we are able to see the object within few minutes, few seconds, right? This point is clear. It is like that when we come from bright light to a dim light, or a dim light to bright light, we have some discomfort, okay, for few seconds. In few seconds, this ciliary muscles relax or compress itself to adjust the focal length or curvature to adjust the image, right? So when lens are relaxed, is least curve. When it is relaxed, there is least curve and least powerful. What is the people? What is people? No one
Um,
is speaking.
that black dot in our eye.
Right. The hole in the iris that lets the light in, like the aperture of a camera, automatically responds to the light level. That's if light is dim or light is bright, so it will adjust itself. Clear? What is
Yes.
cornea?
Layer of the
What is cornea? Thick layer of transparent cell that protect the eye and are the principal means of focusing the ray by refraction on entering the eye. Fine tuning of focusing is done by lenses. Means that cornea is the thing that focus the rays, okay, by refraction. But the fine tuning is being done by eye lens. So take the screenshot of these points. I think these points are important.
The aqueous humor is also there, right?
Yeah, aqueous humor. What is the use of aqueous humor? Aqueous humor or vitreous humor? There is a two type of fluids, right? It is a clear liquid region between the cornea and the lens. That's the aqueous humor, right? And it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the aqueous humors will be found in between the region between the cornea and the lens. So where is cornea and where is lens? This is lens and this is cornea, right? In this region. Clear? Aqueous humor. And the another one is vitreous humor, space between eye lens and the retina. So in this region, eye lens and retina in this region. Clear? So there is one more point. What is blind spot? So keep in the mind what is blind point as well. Next is function of iris and let me drag this side. And now it is visible, right? So function of iris and pupil. So what is function of iris? I have to read now. The iris automatically adjusts the size according to the amount of light it receives from the surroundings. If the light around us is high as daytime, then the iris in the pupil contract, makes the pupil smaller, right? And thus reduces the amount of light entering in the eyes. So if there is bright light, so iris control itself that only a small amount or reduces amount of light enters in the eye. If the amount of light around us is small, such as dark at the night, then iris increases the pupil, makes the reader larger, so that the more light enters in the eye. See how nature is adjusted everything. This is because we need to allow more light to enter the eyes when outside light is dim. So in night time, iris increases the pupil. Okay, in the night time, iris increases the pupil, and in the daytime, iris reduces the iris in the pupil contract. So in the daytime, it contracts. In the night time, it increases. Okay, so this is the function of iris and pupil. So next is the accommodation power. So we already discussed accommodation power, and it is again the image of an object at different distances from eye are brought to focus on retina by changing the focal length of eye lens. So focal length of eye lens changes, which is composed of the fibrous jelly-like material, can be modified to some extent by ciliary muscles. So for accommodation power, ciliary muscles are responsible. Clear? So keep these points. These are the important points for exam. So now we are entering in another type of discussion. That discussion is what is far point and the near point. Near point distance is 25 centimeters. Beyond that, we can't see. This is the near point. Far point is infinity. We can see the object at far distances. Even we can see the moon or sun. So there is no restriction on the farthest point, far point. Next is defects of vision. Are you aware of defects in vision? Defects in vision. So what is normal eye? When perfectly relaxed, the ray of light come in from infinity and focused on the retina. The point on the object produces a point on the image. and therefore sharp and clear images are being transmitted to the mind. So basically parallel rays is coming from infinity. So if eyes are normal, it will produce a clear image. Okay, so after the refraction, the rays will be coinciding at the or focusing on the retina, and retina will form a clear image. What is short sight eye? Anyone? What is short sight eye? In short sight, the image are the rays converges before the retina. Okay. When perfectly relaxed, the rays of light coming from infinity are focused before they reach to retina. This produces a blurred image because the point on the object produces a pool of light on retina. So in short sight, we have this problem. For the long sight, the rays converges beyond the retina. That's why we couldn't see in both of the cases. For the correction of myopia or the short-sightedness, we use what? Concave lens. And then this concave lens focus the ray on the retina. For the hypermetropia or long sight distances, we use convex lens, right? So in this way, we do the corrections. Clear?
Yes.
And there is one more reason, that is presbyopia. It comes from because of age-related issues. So this is any doubt till this point? After that, there is refraction of light through prism. What do we mean by refraction of light? Diffraction means breaking of light. When light breaks down. So when our light, you guys are just listening now. No interaction. So see, the ray PQ, this is prism. Okay, this is called the base of prism. This is called the angle of prism, prism angle. This is prism angle. So make a normal over here. This is normal. Now a ray is coming like this. One ray. No. Not that much straight. Okay. So this is the rare medium and this is the denser medium. So when ray, DENSER, denser medium. When rays come from a rare medium to denser medium, it moves toward the normal. So it will be moving toward the normal. Now make a normal over here. When rays comes from a denser medium to rare medium, it moves away from the normal, right? Aware? So now make a normal over here. This is the normal. So it will move away from the normal. it will move away from the normal. Got the point?
Yes.
So this is incident ray. This is incident ray. And this is refracted ray. This we call refracted. Refracted ray. I accept that my graph is not that much good. So we call it incident angle, angle I. And this will be refracted angle. Okay. Again, for this case, this is incident angle. And this is with normal is refracted angle. Clear? Any doubt? If we
No,
will
sir.
if we will extend this and will extend this back, this is the deviation. Deviation, if there were no prism, this light might have gone in this direction. So D is called the deviation angle. Angle D is called deviation angle. It's called the deviation, right? What does deviation means? If there were no prism, then light would have gone with angle D is equal to 0. But when you put a prism, then there is the phenomena of refraction. And because of refraction, the initial and the final ray is being deviated by an angle D. Clear? So every term is clear. Do you need any explanation?
No, sir.
Okay. So what the next? Dispersion of white light from a prism. If instead of any color we give the white light, okay, this is the prism and the white light is being transferred, white light. So what we will get after diffraction, you will find a patterns of color, right? That is vibgyor, right? So when white light passes through a prism, we get a patterns of color. So the order of vibgyor is same or different? I'm confused. Anyone can help me? What is the order of vibgyor? What is the order?
Red.
Order is correct?
No, sir.
No,
The first
No.
one is red, right?
order is correct.
First one is red, right? It's R.
R is at the top.
Uh, sir, I thought it was like B or
No, order is V.
yes,
This
sir.
is
Yes.
violet, indigo, blue, green, and this is R.
Okay.
This is R. So order is correct. If you think that, let me give you a.
No, sir, I understood the first
No,
R.
no,
plus
that's okay.
Sorry, sir.
No, it's okay. There is no point of sorry. Sometimes confusion is better than being confused. Okay. Confusion is better to understand the things. I don't have a space. This is visible. When white light passes through a prism, we get 7 colors, and those 7 colors has this order. So the red is at the topmost, so there is minimum scattering through the red light. Okay, so this has larger wavelength, and this has larger wavelength. Wavelength is larger, and for this shorter wavelength. Shorter wavelength. Clear? Everything is clear? Thing is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we discuss some important topics or revised. So next week, we will be doing some different thing as well. So I think we should, if we have any doubt, we should ask. And otherwise, I have another question. If I put one prism in this direction and the white light is being introduced, white light, and then rays comes from this side, and what I do, I put another prism. So a ray will come this side. So what will be the color of? What is color of emergent light? Emergent light. Will you tell me? White light is being introduced, and these two are the prism. This is also the prism. This is prism. And this is also the prism. These two are the prism. And we have introduced the white light. So after passing through one prism, then we put another prism upside down. So now tell me what will be the color of emergent light? Quick.
White light.
White light? Raise your hands. Who is in favor of white light? Raise the hand. Madiha, Schwab. Okay. Madiha, white light. Jaslene, white light. What about Govita?
Right or white light.
Jaslene, white light. You didn't raise the hand. Rizwan, Schwab, Madiha, Govita, white light. Okay. So everyone is with white light. That's house. 4 white light out of 5. Madi, I didn't get your 3. Why it is decreasing? So one prism has transferred white light to the colorful light. Now this colorful light is being again transferred to the white light. This is the reverse action, okay? So the rays, the emergent rays will be white light only. Clear? So we will be doing atmospheric refraction, twinkling of a star, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Okay, a scattering of light, that is Tyndall effect, why the color of a sky is blue. These points we will discuss next time. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So for today, I'm going to stop this discussion over here. Hopefully next week we will add on. Any confusion, any doubt for the today's class?
No, sir.
No? Then see you next time. Okay.